here, channel Audit. So today I'm going to show you a project that I've been working on for the AWS Q Developer Challenge, and this is known as CarbonGuard CLI. This tool audits carbon dioxide emissions from AWS resources, local core realms, and personal receipts to help developers build sustainably, all powered by Amazon Q Developer CLI. So without further ado, let's show you how. As you can see, I have already in my Amazon Q CLI now set up our tool. Now as you can see, we're already in CarbonGuard CLI here. You can see now all the files here. This is the code file that we have created using Amazon Q CLI. The CLI is now built with Amazon Q, and also you can see we have also activated our virtual environment, which has all the libraries that we need to run this out. So now let's see how our project works here. Now let's run out CarbonGuard. Now the mock flag lets us simulate AWS resources without any cost, or can perfect for testing out how it works in game. So it creates a mock like AC2, S3, and Lambda RDA resources. It shows the estimated CO2. So you can see here it's 0.11 per hour. You can see there's 0 CO2, and we have added instances here. And you can see AC2, S3, Lambda RDS. So you can see the mock indicated here. If you want, you can also get RJ, so you can see our mock is running. You can see we're in mock 1. Now you can see that our results are now saved in results.dc file. Let's check the result.dc file here. Now you can see that it stores all our mock data here. You can see C2, UAC, and 2. So let me show you the results here. So you can start the mock results saved here. So you can see how much time it takes. You are getting all of it like for free without any AWS credentials. Now let's show you the real audit with AWS credential config. So let me show you the real data here. CarbonGuard, audit, AWS region, use 1. And also for the results here. Now let's click on it. So let's see how it goes. So you can see that for my instance, it shows a 0 CO2. Why? It's because I haven't added any instances on my AWS for this. So, but with instances, it calculates accurately based on power usage and region intensity. With real credentials, it audits live resources to help optimize emissions. So let's check the results out. The result is also saved in the JSON file here. Now let me show you some other trick here. So now let's see how it works with the personal tracking with the receipt. Now you can see that here it actually processes one receipt image like this, and then it shows the carbon footprint here, 8.0713 kg in total carbon footprint here, and all the results are saved here on this result.1.json file. You can see the results here. It estimates our carbon dioxide for this and generates a dashboard for visualization here. Also there's CO2 file here. It also overlaps by category, so which is great for our chart or any visualization. Now what we're gonna do here is create a reduction, like how can we reduce the carbon footprint, like carbon dioxide. So let's run it out. Plan, Audit, reduction. Let's say 0.25. Now click on it. Now you can see that based on the result, it suggests like generating a carbon dioxide reduction plan here. You can see we applied on 25% reduction and 12 months. So and it shows us the reduction plan here. 1 action needed. The reduction 30%. Reduction energy by 40%. You can see here. So thank you for watching. So vote me on the Build Center, and I will provide you the GitHub repository link for this project. Let's make them sustainable. Thank you so much.